What's under the skin of a £35 entry-level hobby sewing machine? Here's a hobby sewing machine. It costs £35 when new. It doesn't work. Let's find out. So what have we got? It is a free arm machine. Natty little storage container. Empty. The variable needle position. Lots of different stitches. Reverse. Spool pin. Should be a second spool pin missing. Bobbin winding. Pretty straightforward really. Access to the bobbin and hook down there. And non-interchangeable throat plate. Oscillating hook. There we go. So, what's under the skin? Good question. I think first of all we'll take this throat plate off. Throat plate off. And we'll get the presser foot off. Complete with its rather natty snap-on adapter. The free arm stripped. It's quite a chunky piece of kit really, considering there's not really a lot going on in there. Bigger than the Singer 320, and that's cast iron. We've got a lot of plastic here. Speaking of plastic, let's move on. And that's the cover off the end there. No bulb in the lamp holder, that's quite alright. Take up lever, needle bar, presser bar, all pretty straightforward. Tension discs, more plastic. Nice compact little assembly really when you think about it. Now we've got to get these covers off. That is what you're paying for, basically. The plastic's just a cover for what is basically pretty rough engineering at the end of the day. There's no lubrication holes in the casing whatsoever. You have the needle bar, the presser bar tension, work light, no bulb, but there would be a bulb there. Cams along the top to control the stitch pattern, bobbin winding, belts, reverse lever, motor, feed dogs, and your hook and bobbin case would all go in there. It is very, very, very roughly made. There's no provision whatsoever for lubrication. These dark marks that you can see, hopefully this will show up on the camera, that's not lubrication, that's just muck from the foundry. I'm looking very hard to see if I can see much by way of lubrication in here, any grease, any oils, and to be honest there's not a great deal going on. And again here, more marks from manufacture. Not grease, it just looks like it's muck. Roughly cast aluminium, spot faced where necessary, although to be honest I think spot facing is a kindness, it's more like it's spot ground or similar. And that's it. Fire and forget. Buy it, use it, and get rid of it. For £35 you will get a machine that will work straight out of the box for an indeterminate period of time, hopefully 12 months, for the Deltas and the Amatas and the like at this range, or Aldi, Lidl, IKEA own brand machines, all much of a muchness. You should get 12 months. If you don't, it's not uncommon, but it's a bit of a sad state of affairs, because obviously there's some attention, some engineering gone into it, but it's only supposed to last for as long as it lasts. It's not economically viable to repair. Under the wobbly wafer thin plastic you have engineering that is quite roughly made, little attention to detail, and the technology is pure late 60s, early 70s. So, you know, if you're buying that sort of technology, why not buy a 60s, 70s machine? It's going to look nicer for a start, it's going to be made to a higher quality, you'll be able to service it, maintain it, get the parts for it. This is not meant to do that. It is buy it, use it, throw it.